Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to use ChatGPT to write emails for you. First, you want to open ChatGPT and type the prompt that I will type right now. So now here, as you can see, I have typed that I need to write an email for my manager regarding the new project the project is about, and you should type here the name of the project or what is the project about. Then it will generate to you a form like this one right here. Now you can copy this form, then paste it right here, then do some adjustments. And after copying it and do the adjustments, just review the form. You can add here the name of your manager. You can review the content of the email. And after that, you should add your necessary add-ons from you in order to fulfill the whole topic of your email and send it to your manager or send it to your anyone you want to send to. And that's all for today's video. If you find helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.